the Paris dining room, this is Dario Mitridi down on the lower level, and for all the guests on the upper level, Mr. Mustafa Mitridi, and of course all our team waiters and head waiters, wishing you a welcome back to the Paris dining room. Sincerely hope that you're enjoying your dinner tonight. Our chefs have been working very hard this afternoon to make this dinner a success, and we sincerely hope that you're enjoying yourself. So, how's the dinner going on tonight? Alright. Well, that sounds good. I know quite a few of you are still busy with that, and we'll let you do that. We're going to do a little show. I have to let you know that among this restaurant that covers approximately around 1,100 guests serving for each seating, we have 120 wait staff coming from 25 different countries all over the world. And more than 20 different languages are spoken among our dining room service team. However, we do have one official language while we are on board and where we communicate during the service hours, and that is broken English. I will sing in that broken English a beautiful Italian song, and I hope you're going to enjoy that. Just to let you know, right after this show and right after dinner, we're going to feature a great show in our main show lounge at 8:30. Don't miss that one. It's a beautiful Broadway-style performance. It's great stuff, and we all encourage you to go there. Tomorrow in St. John, we're looking forward for a nice day. Everybody's asking what the weather is going to be tomorrow, and we don't know actually exactly. And from our experience, the weather forecast is usually always wrong, just like your scale. Whenever you look down, the figure doesn't look right. So, and we don't want to give you any wrong forecast, but we will keep the fingers crossed, and we hope that you're going to enjoy your day tomorrow in St. John, New Brunswick, and we're looking forward to see you back, same time, same place. And now, hold on for your chairs. Here we come, Maestro.